this video, I will describe how to stay organized throughout the school year. I organize my teaching material in a 3-ring binder on my flash drive and in the cloud. If you prefer paper organization and you like to have all of your material on hand at all times, I suggest using this 3-ring binder. This binder is available in many colors: blue, green, gray, pink, purple, and red, and it comes in many sizes from a 1/2 inch to 3 inch. If you prefer digital organization, you can organize the files on a flash drive on your computer or in the cloud. This flash drive is 256 gigabytes, 4-in-1, and it's compatible with iPhones and Androids. It can be used to save images and transfer files back and forth between different devices. I like to use this neoprene case to store and protect the data on my flash drive. To organize the material in the binder, I use these plastic dividers. These dividers are made of durable, tear-resistant plastic, and they contain tabs and pockets to store class material, such as graded assignments and quizzes. This rechargeable portable label maker is a handheld printer that you can use to label the dividers and organize the binder. I also like this compact mini Bluetooth label maker. I have a separate 3-ring binder for each class that I teach. The 3-ring binder includes the following items with dividers for each category. You can also organize the flash drive and OneDrive into these categories. The current semester schedule, including the days, times, and locations of all of the classes, the syllabus, an attendance spreadsheet, a grade spreadsheet, lecture notes, which cover the material that I will explain throughout the semester, chapter notes, quizzes, exams, midterms, and finals. If you are a student and you prefer taking notes on paper, I suggest using a binder to organize all of your class material. You can use the same binder that I already mentioned for all of your courses. Include the following categories in the binder: an area for syllabi, assignments, quizzes, exams, and notes. Use these plastic dividers to separate all of the courses and the categories. For example, if you are taking a history course, calculus, and an art course, include a plastic divider to separate the material for each of the courses. Then use additional plastic dividers to separate each course based on the categories previously mentioned. These dividers are great because they contain pockets and you can store all of your graded assignments, quizzes, and exams. Make sure you do not throw those away. Keep those and use those to study. If you prefer digital organization, organize your files on a flash drive, on your computer, or in the cloud. I suggest using OneDrive because it's easy to use and Microsoft provides a large amount of storage space. Overall, organizing class material is tedious and time-consuming, but it makes daily preparation much easier.